we're bringing this seat into the back garden for an absolute overhaul. Power hosing. Look at it, it's absolutely disgusting. All up here, the whole thing just needs an absolute spray down because it's fucking stinking. So we're gonna do that. Let's go. Here we have it outside. Look at the fucking stadius. Let's get it cleaned. I'm just spraying it down with some Furry Up liquid attached to the power hose, and that'll just obviously give me a base to start power hosing. I've really wanted to do it for a while. I just could not be fucked, but today I can be. So we're just giving it a wee spray with the Furry Up liquid, and then here's me just doing the first bit of power hosing. I was trying to show you like the whole thing, but I had one hand and it was annoying me, so I was like, fuck it, I'll just power through and then show them the end. And then I've ripped it because I put the power hose too close to the fucking sofa, so the whole thing's wrecked. But that's me just powering through here. I'm raging about the rip, but that's the final result and it looks really good.